Hello, in this video we are going to do programming for linear regression in deep learning using TensorFlow. There are 5 steps to it. Initially we have to import the packages, and after importing the packages we have to give the input for the x and y. When x and y array is given, based on that our linear regression model has to find the best fit equation. Once the inputs of x and y are given, then we have to define a layer of connected neurons. In this case we will be using a single neuron to train our model, and after defining the layer of connected neurons we will be defining the optimizer and loss function. Finally the model fitting will be done and the prediction will be done based on the model that has been trained. So these are the 3 packages which we have to import. Initially we have to import TensorFlow as TF. Then from TensorFlow we will be importing Keras, and we will be importing NumPy as NP. We will be using these 2 arrays of x's and y's, np.array -1 0 4 3 2 and 1 of data type float for the x, and for the y's we will be giving the input of -3 -1 7 5 3 and 1. We can also visualize the points on the graph. It is forming a straight line. Generally it does not form straight line and we have to find the best fit, but in our case I have taken example of a straight line. Let's see what has to be done next. Now to define a model we will be using this command tf.keras.sequential. By using this command we can define any model. Then keras.layers.dense. Dense means we are defining a dense layer. Unit equal to 1 means we are taking only one neuron in the layer, and the input shape is 1 because we have x as single values. Now we have to compile the model by using these 2 parameters, optimizer as SGD, which is stochastic gradient descent, and the loss as mean squared error. After defining the optimizer and the loss, so to train the model we will be using the command model.fit x's, y's, epochs equal to 500. So x and y are being given as the input and the epochs are being calculated for 500 times, and our arrays x's and y's will be traversed 500 times because epochs are equal to 500. Now for checking the prediction we will be taking x equal to 10 as the testing input. Actual y is 2 into x minus 1. Why? Because the graph I showed you earlier, if you see these blue dots carefully, we can find the equation easily as y equal to 2x minus 1. You can even substitute the values from the arrays. Y will be equal to 2x minus 1. Now I want to predict the value of x. So model.predict x. This prediction will be done based on the trained model and it will be saved as pred y. After the prediction has been saved in pred y, then we can print the values and check for ourselves what is the given output. Let's see the demo on Google Colaboratory. So this is the Google Colaboratory platform. Here I have done the coding. I'm going to explain you again. So now we are going to run the program which we have discussed in the slides. Assume that you have x equal to -1 0 4 3 2 1 and y's are this. So what is the relation? We can easily find y equal to 2x minus 1. So how do we train a neuron to learn this relation? We will explore the linear regression in this code. Initially we have to import the libraries. Import TensorFlow as TF. From TensorFlow import Keras and import NumPy as NP. Shift enter. So they have been imported. Now we have to define x and y. So x is equal to np.array. All the values are given in this array and the data type is float. Same for y, the input has been given. Let's run it. So now x and y have been defined. Now we have to define the layer of the connected neurons. So sequentially we are defining the Keras layer. Units equal to 1 means only one neuron is being used. Input shape equal to 1. This means that at one time x equal to -1 or x equal to 0 or x equal to 4. So at one time only one value is being given as the input. Let's run this. So the model has been defined. If you want to see the summary of your model, you can write model.summary. So this is the summary of your model which you have defined. Now I want to compile this model. I have to give two parameters, optimizer as SGD. SGD is the stochastic gradient descent and the loss is mean squared error. I hope you know what this means. So after doing the shift enter, our model will be compiled using SGD and mean square error as the loss. We have defined this. Now I am going to do the model fitting. X and Y has been defined earlier and we are giving the epochs as 500. So our X and Y arrays will be traversed 500 times to train our model. Shift enter. So we can see that our loss value is decreasing. So our loss value is decreasing with every epoch and our final loss value is 3.97 into 10 raised power minus 5. So our model has been trained. Now let's check what is the prediction value for the x equal to 10. Shift enter. So our value of actual y is 19 but our predicted y is 18.98, which is very close. Only difference of 0.02 is there. So this is how we train our linear regression model and we get the results out of it. Thank you for watching.